I'm with my new friend. See,
Hi,
what's your name, bro?
Abhijit.
Abhijit.
Yeah.
He's come from Hyderabad. So can you tell me about Pune? Like what you
Uh,
like and what is the difference between Hyderabad and Pune?
there's nothing, lots of difference. Just today I have landed in Pune,
Yeah.
and as of now I'm traveling just, and I have saw the thing is traffic is more in Pune. That's it.
Okay. So I will suggest him where to go in Pune. You
Yeah.
know, FC Road.
I don't know.
Just
My friend will pick up now.
just remember that. Manapa. The next time you come in Pune, Manapa, go to the bus stop and just said them, I go want to go to Manapa. Every famous street is there,
Okay.
Manapa. You will get
Understand.
everything from there.
Yeah.
Okay. And apart from that, you can tell me about. I'll ask you two, three more questions.
Yeah, sure.
How to approach people? Okay. What's your hobbies? Tell me.
I'm a numismatic collector.
What?
I'm a numismatic collector.
What is that?
It's a hobby of collecting coins.
Collecting coins.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
means you have so much coins, right?
Yeah.
How much do you have? Till
Past 100 years collection.
100 years.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I was just shocked, man. I was just shocked. You're collecting in today's economy also.
Yeah, yeah. Republic also.
Okay.
Yeah, it's in progress.
So you have different country. Which country you have?
How many? Maximum I have all countries.
Okay. Which state you have in India? Till
I have visited Mumbai,
Mumbai.
Pune,
Hmm.
Uttarakhand,
Uttarakhand.
and that's it. As of now, I have visited international trip
Okay.
last year, Malaysia.
Okay. Malaysia.
Yeah.
What do you find the difference between people, culture, and food? Different type people you meet, right?
They stay healthy.
They stay healthy.
Healthy.
And their
Better.
mindset?
It's totally different from India.
Okay. Can you give me any idea with example like?
Uh, they won't take it to heart.
Hmm.
They'll be straightforward to
Okay.
people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you approaching any kind of foreigner in that country?
Yeah, I have my friends in foreign also.
Okay. How did they talk?
I mean, compared to us, this lifestyle is totally different.
Hmm.
We cannot compare with them.
Hmm.
They are totally different. They focus on the work.
Okay.
They don't focus on the failure.
Hmm.
They just focus on the work.
Okay. I never been in Hyderabad, so can you tell me about Hyderabad?
Hyderabad. I mean, Hyderabad is a city to explore the food.
Hmm.
You can visit Charminar,
Hmm.
Golconda,
Hmm.
and you can have the biryani.
Biryani. Yeah.
It's a famous
I want to
food.
ask you about the biryani. I just heard a lot of about Hyderabadi
Yeah,
biryani.
it's a famous. All
What
over
is
the world.
the different makes sorry? What makes different Hyderabadi biryani than all over the world?
It's a taste and aroma.
Taste and aroma.
You won't get it anywhere all over the world.
Why?
Definitely. Yeah, it's our.
Okay, it's your. Okay, okay. So can you tell me other kind of foods which is actually famous?
In Hyderabad.
Hmm?
In Hyderabad, sweets.
Sweets.
Yeah,
Okay.
sweets, desserts,
Hmm.
and cafes.
Cafes.
Yeah,
Okay. You meet any Maharashtrian people in Hyderabad?
yeah, my friends are there.
Your friends are
Yeah,
sorry. They are
my
there.
classmates are there. Yeah,
Okay.
Uh,
Your English is so much good. So what's the thing? How you learn English?
uh, I do business.
Okay.
So
do business?
yeah,
Okay.
so I export my things.
Export import.
Export import. So I
Okay.
have clients,
Hmm.
foreign clients. So by them I
Okay.
yeah.
If your family for today they kicked out you from your home
uh,
and you don't earn money, so what's the first thing you do?
I have enough savings for myself.
You are ready, bro. You are ready. But for like me, I don't have any kind of career. So
uh,
what can I do? Give me
And
any
just
idea.
don't lose your hope.
Okay.
Just focus on one thing.
Hmm.
Just hit daily the goals
Okay.
which you wanted to do.
Yeah, guys, and he is a businessman actually. I want to ask him one question: is that what's the difference between rich people and poor people?
Rich people invest
Hmm.
on assets.
Hmm.
Poor people invest on themselves.
Themselves. So you mean to say liability?
No,
Then
lifestyle.
lifestyle. Yeah.
Lifestyle is not a necessary thing.
Hmm.
Once you start earning, just invest on the assets.
Okay.
Then they will invest in you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. How they spend their time, bro? Two rich people and poor people.
They won't even reach the time.
Okay.
Uh,
So, did you meet any kind of rich type of person? Like a lot.
yeah,
So, what you find in them and the people who
they
are
are too busy.
they're too busy?
They won't. Their time is very scheduled.
Hmm.
They won't even waste their time
Hmm.
daily.
Okay. Can you give me any idea like how to approach people?
How to approach people? I mean, first of all, we have to. I mean, what we say, we don't need to hesitate. First of all,
Okay.
You have to go straight for confidence.
Okay.
That's it.
What do you think about me? I don't have any confidence.
No,
Talk to you.
you
So
have lots of
guys,
confidence.
this is his from Hyderabad. He's come for the first time in Pune, Maharashtra, in Amnora Mall right now, and he's very great guy actually. He's more richer than you, so don't become jealous.
Why
He's
ऐसे ना
richer,
बोलने
I'm
का?
jealous. So I'm with Neeraj. How are you, Neeraj?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Neeraj, tell me about this city.
Well, Pune is a beautiful city. There are
Okay.
a lot of places to visit, and I guess, I mean, it's the most livable city. It's not much expensive, and you
Okay.
can travel. Like there is nothing much to see, but it's a livable city. Yeah.
Okay, how to talk to random people, Neeraj?
Bro, I don't talk with random people, but yeah,
What type of person you are, introvert or extrovert?
I'm an introverted person.
Okay, what's your hobbies?
I listen to music,
Okay, what type of rap type of music or something else?
alternative rock and metal.
Okay, how to handle rejection? If I reject someone, sorry, if someone reject me, and they will give me rejection. So how to handle that? Quickly move on.
Well, never been in this situation. Never dated actually anyone.
Not dated in that way also. I'm just doing the content now. In this way also. Any rejection.
Rejection. I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, so in your free time, what you suggest? Recommend. Sorry, what you are doing?
I skateboard.
Skateboard.
Yeah.
Okay, one last question I want to ask is that if this is your last day, how you spend your day?
I would play Valorant.
Valorant. Have a nice day. Mr. Neeraj, thanks for giving me your valuable asset.